Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to check notifications on Amazon app. Now there are a couple of different things you can do. You can open up the Amazon app in your mobile on your iPhone or Android, or you can always just go to amazon.com. Now that we are in here, you can see at the bottom corner there is a little person. Just tap on it to get into your basically account profile. You can see orders, you can see your account, subscribe and save. At the top right is the little bell icon. You can tap on it to get your notifications. So it will show various things that you have bought, that you have been delivered, that are almost here. All of these you will be able to just go through and see the status of all those orders. You can see various suggestions like exploring different trends or new styles, anything like that. Now if you are not getting them in there, or you want to just get them directly to your phone, you are going to want to hop into these settings here and go for this notification and status bar. Then tap on this individual apps, tap on this Amazon shopping and make sure this is auto, and just tap on this always show notch. So essentially you will get a notification for all of those things but directly on your phone. So you don't need to go searching around in the app, it will just pop up directly on your phone. You will be able to see what it's about, maybe a delivery that just got delivered, anything like that you will be able to see directly there. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.